Why don't you just let go and quiet down your ego? Don't complain about finance. I know your daddy wasn't a real man. Go ahead and live your dreams. To me, you're stronger than a whole team.
Oh God, oh God, look at my baby. Hey, catch them for tired day, yo. Speedometer. Hello everybody, welcome to JVLOGS. This is Plunkett. No, this is a different type of video. I haven't really done any of these videos before. Basically doing Uber Eats on bicycle. SONDORS Fold, the first edition. I left my GoPro, so I'm not able to take shots on the GoPro. So I'm just using my phone for that right now. So I'm just going to get some clips. Hope you guys enjoy them. So this is my Uber Eats experience on SONDORS Fold bicycle version. So catch you on the flip side. So basically picking up our order. I get one order already. So this is restaurant, this is information. This is the new 2018 version, basically. So I got money already. So this is how it looks on it. So the jerk chicken, pretty much, it's a Jamaican restaurant, pretty much. So I'm in the Queens area. So boom, just waiting for this eat order right here. So once I get this order, then I'm good to go. So I'm just waiting, killing time. As you can see, it's 6:52. The temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. So that's really good weather for me, pretty much. I don't know Fahrenheit or Celsius, so I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. But yeah, basically. So this is my second order, pretty much. So just waiting too long. There's a lot of food, but I don't like giving bad reviews or anything like that. But yeah, I'll leave that back there. So yeah, I'm on the corner there and there. So just picking up the next one, and then it's a go. Alright. 2 orders, ready to go. Alright peeps, so after that long wait, I basically finally get the food. So I'm just going to click them off now and start the delivery and see the distance
Head
that they're giving me. So 10 minutes, 2.7 miles on the bicycle. So again, this is the SONDORS Fold, and I'm about to go and drop off these food right now. So I guess I'm going straight up the road. So peace, I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is how nice the weather is. It is now you can't see the date pretty much. So it is now December the 15th, Saturday December the 15th. I don't want to miss my turn.
Right turn on 157th Street.
December the 15th, 2018. It's a Saturday. It's winter and I literally don't have on any gloves tonight. This is how good the weather is. The rain came for 2 days. It's gonna come tonight again, as you can see the sky. This is beautiful footage right here. So as you can see, the sky is overcast. It's windy outside, but it's good weather. Like my hands, no gloves. My gloves are on the back of the backpack, and I'm riding. So you know I'm riding in the wind. So you know it's not easy to ride in the wind in winter time when it's cold. So that's how good the weather is, and it's nighttime now. So it's like beautiful weather. it's amazing doing the Uber Eats like this. I'm just taking a couple of these views. Hope you guys enjoying Christmas. I'm just enjoying this experience. You know, so this is my Uber Eats experience. Realistic experience. Winter time, good weather, good Saturday. Getting these bonuses and stuff. It's now 70 minutes after 7. Delivering my third order. Getting the 2 for 10 bonus. So it's a good time to make money from it. So by the end of the night, I'll pretty much show you guys how much I make. This is the issue I have with Queens. They're always digging up the road, always fixing the roads and stuff like that. So you always find that you're having these bumps. So if you're riding a bicycle, ensure that I'm going to run through all the stuff that you need. So pretty much my destination is further up. See, basically have 2 GPS. The Google GPS is less accurate than the Uber GPS. So the Uber GPS gives you exactly where the house is, left, right, wherever it is. So taking a couple more of these house features. So I'm going to 132.30. I think this one is it. 132.30. Yes, this is beautiful house. I'm going to deliver the first food too. Ooh, you guys catch that view. So dropping off the first food to this young lady right here. Her name is Money. So I'm going to drop off that one to her. And this is her food right here. So I don't know which doorbell it is, if it's left or right. Bringing one of them. Oh, that's me. That's beautiful me right there. Can't see my smile. But yeah. So it's on the next side. Hello. Enjoy. Can leave a review in the app, alright? Okay. So I did my first delivery. These houses are nice. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when you do your first delivery. Delivered, rerouting. So going to the next one now because I got 2 food at once. So when you get 2 food, you drop off the first one. You get the double bonus as well. So your aim is to get 2 food at once to drop off, 2 delivery at once to drop off. That increase your chance of getting bonus. You're not waiting for the next order to come in. Once that 2 orders come in, you just drop them off and then you're at 2 instantly. So it's good to get those 2 deliveries at once, one trip. So yeah, that's good. So I'll catch you on the flip side. So come back. JVLOGS, Uber Eats, Winter's Edition, yeah. Alright guys, so just to show you, I just did the 2 deliveries. So you see I have 3 deliveries there. So basically the 1 more delivery get an extra $20. So basically every 2 deliveries you do, you get $10. So as you can see, I'm at $10 so far with 3 trips. The last trip was 2 trips, so you get $7.25. So the base pay is not a lot, no, but the bonuses actually help you. So as you can see, I started so the first trip was only $3.23. These are boosts, so the boost prices are different. and that starts 11 o'clock tonight. So anytime after 11 o'clock or 11:30, on some days you get boost, so it's more. So as you can see, 2 trips right there. So it's basically 2 trips, 1-2, is to the destination right there. 4.41 miles on the bicycle. So the price breakdown: pickup fee $1.50, drop off fee $1.50, distance $4.30. So trip earning. So basically that's about it, and then you get your bonuses and stuff like that. So on we go to the next one. So I'm going to ride now that way, closer to home, to pick up some more food, because a lot of restaurants are down where I live. So I'll catch you guys soon. Okay guys, so I literally took a break. As you can see here, I'm home now, in my room, charging up the battery as well to go back out. So I finished at 11. I got all the bonuses. Well, I finished one bonus, so let me show you. So the trips are there, and the promotion, can't load promotion, view all promotions. So this one, I started this one, so it finished, well, let me see when it finished. So this is normally the 5 trips, $10 for every 5 trips. So I started there. As you can see, I get 2 promotion there, $10 here, $10 here, so that's $20. So basically, if I do 5 more, I get an next $10, and if I do 20 trips in total, I'll get $40. So I've finished one promotion already. This is the next promotion. I won't be able to finish this. The rain is coming, so I'm trying to actually beat the rain. It's boost time now. So from 11 o'clock, it's 3% extra. As you can see, boost in my area of Queens. So this is what the boost look like. This blue line here signify that is the boost. So rain is coming at 2:30. Literally, it does take 45 minutes to charge up the battery, the SONDORS battery. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, and then I'm literally going to head back out now. So that's what I made so far with the 10 trips at base pay, and then I'll show you. So this is today, and then I'll show the base pay would be 112. It should be 112. So I made 112 today, C trips. So ding, it's not there. I'll find it some other way. So basically, I made $112 today from 10 trips, including base pay and promotion. So I made $70 in promotion and $43 base pay, and I'm not sure if I get any tips. So the total is $112 so far. So here, journey with me. Grab this. Sorry, let me put on about my mask and then I'll come back. Alright, so this is about the 7th one. So going good so far. I need 3 more, and then I'll be good. So sometimes you have to literally go into the apartment. I'll just put in the door the wrong way. Get these things set up back. So yeah, I'll be back.